are done with our layers and we know how to draw our lines and our dimensions, we've added a layer here that says it's text. Now I'm going to activate my text layer by double clicking right here, and I should have the green text, the green tick right next to the text layer, and anything I draw or add should be in green color as seen right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead to the text icon and I'm going to click on the drop down menu over here, and you can see that you have two kinds of text that says multi-line text, which is a text that is over multiple lines, or a single line text where you only have one line. Now alternatively you can just type M text for multi-text or multiple line text, or just text for a single line text. I'm going to go ahead and start with a single line text, and it says specify the start point. So to do that, I'm going to go for text, and click on enter. And then I'm going to specify the start point. So where do you want your text to be? And then it says specify the height. So how big do you want it to be? Right now I can say I want it to be maybe this big right now. And then it says specify the rotation angle. I want it to be horizontal, so I'm going to click right here with a short click. Then it's waiting for me to start typing, so I'm going to type test. And once I'm done, I'm going to click anywhere outside of that text to exit that command, and you can see that it started a new line. Now if I want to stop typing now, I just hit the escape button, and you can see that my text now is there and nice. It's a single line. Now if I type M text on the other hand, which is the multi-line text, it's asking me to specify a corner, so I need to specify a box where my text is going to be, and I can start typing test 1, test 2, and so on. Once I'm done, I'm going to click anywhere outside, and you can see that my text is right here. Now sometimes your text is a bit too small, so you need to zoom in to be able to see it, or zoom out because it's way too big for the screen. And now you can see that my text, it started as test 1, test 2, so I need to make the box slightly bigger so that it fits in one line. So all I do is select this arrow and single short click and start moving my mouse in the direction where I want my box to be increased, and so I can make it right here, and you can see that it came out to be as 2 lines and not 4 lines like it was before. I hope this is clear. This covers pretty much most of what we need to do. In the next tutorial, I'll be drawing a room that is of a specific dimensions, and I'll go with you step by step just so we can exercise drawing. Otherwise, please feel free to draw any objects you find in front of you or your assignment drawings, and feel free to ask any questions. Write them down. I'll be happy to answer them during class.